Hello everyone, welcome back to AK Coding. In today's lesson, we are starting with the foundation. What is JavaScript and how does it work behind the scenes? Whether you are a beginner or already coding, understanding this part will make everything else easier. If you're ready, let's get started. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a programming language that runs in the browser, and it makes websites more interactive. We use HTML to struct our website and CSS to design the website. And JavaScript adds a life into the web with buttons, animations, forms, logic, API calls, and all of it. Almost every modern website uses JavaScript, and it's not limited to browsers anymore. With JavaScript, you can build backend servers using Node.js, mobile apps with React Native, and desktop apps with Electron. Now, let's talk about how JavaScript runs behind the scenes. Every browser has a JavaScript engine. We daily use Chrome has a V8, in a Firefox, there is a SpiderMonkey which uses, and Safari uses JavaScript core. When you write JavaScript, the engine reads your code line by line, and it converts into machine code and executes it very fast. JavaScript is a single-threaded, which means it runs one line at a time. This is why the event loop, which we will be learning later, which is super important, and it helps to the JavaScript to handle the tasks like clicks, timers, and API calls even like without blocking the main thread. Let's see what JavaScript can actually do. Imagine we have a simple button on a web page. Without JavaScript, that button does absolutely nothing. But when you add JavaScript, it suddenly becomes interactive. Let's see in our code. In index.html file, I created button and paragraph tags. And in our app.js file, we can see I'm just calling with there by ID, and I'm adding the event listener. And when it's clicked, it should show button was clicked. And let's see the result. So, as you can see, when I click, it's showing and it's storing in the P paragraph, button was clicked. So, when the user clicks the button, JavaScript listens and reacts, as you can see. So why is it JavaScript is so popular, you see? Because it's everywhere, it's easy to learn, it runs on every browser, and it has a massive community, and there are thousands of libraries and frameworks we use daily. Like big companies, Google, Netflix, Facebook, they rely on JavaScript. And today, you can even build full-stack applications with using only JavaScript. Okay, let's quickly summarize what we covered today. We talked about what JavaScript is, how browsers engines execute your code, why JavaScript is so important, and how the websites how it makes the websites more interactive. So this foundation will help you understand everything we learn next. In the next lesson, we'll dive into something which is very practical. We'll be learning variables, which are var, lat, and constant, and when you should use each one. And this topic alone can make your code cleaner, and it helps you to avoid bugs. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video and share with your friends, and don't miss tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the day 2.